Have you ever had to buy one of these? Here's the part number, WPT1007. You can see what the UPS barcode is. What it is a headlight attachment. And we're going to show you how to install this. It comes with some fitters and some simple instruction. The reason why you would have to buy one of these is because on your, and what this is for a Ford Edge headlight, these headlights new from the factory can cost as much as 500 and some bucks. The connector's a little bad. We'll take a look at that one there. Usually rainwater will get on it and cause it to short out. You can see the colors there. You want to use that for your matching the positions. See yellows on top. You can see the ballast there. The ballast has one connector that attaches to the light, the HID light, and one that also connects up to a controller that's inside there. This is a cover here to twist off to access the light bulb. And I really don't think it's easy to remove. Anyways, save yourself quite a bit of money. You go ahead and get that replaced now. Alright, so we're going to be replacing the driver's side wiring harness. And in order to do that, you got to remove this. You got to remove this. This is the air vent. Disconnect the battery. We're going to do that and we'll show you in a moment. Bit of the user manual. You can pause the video as you need it, but it doesn't tell you anything about the color code. Let's go look at it. One of these, this will make your job just a little bit easier. Let's do this. Alright, that's the new one on the left, the old one on the right. You can see the water damage that happened there. It's shot. These little adapter cables go for about $60, so sheesh. Take a look, it's finished off now. That's what you want. And now it's time to match them with their corresponding colors. On the back of the adapter you can see we got 2 top, 3 middle, 2 bottom, one that's unused, and you can see there like that. The one that's unused, if you have a 2000 probably like a 2010 or more Ford Edge, is the it looks like it's the looking from the adapter down. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this bad boy going. You can see that we have the area clear, and we connected all the wires. So let's see here. We can kind of zoom in on those. The yellow and green is top right. The colors are off a little bit. And then you have another green top left. Middle is red and blue, and the bottom is a green and a gray. You can see that there. So we're gonna go ahead and fire this up. See if our headlight is all set up now. Well, the fuse is real fast before I let you go. First fuse box is here. That'll be a fuse that'll work your headlights. Next fuse box is down over here, right behind that cover right there is the second fuse box, and there'll be a listing of where your fuses go. Just remove this cover here. there is the main fuse box. Alright, that is the finished product right there. Let's see what your end result would like to be. Take a look at the other one. Well, hopefully this video will help people with their headlights and their issues that they may have. The parts inside are actually kind of expensive, so each individual headlight can run you from the dealer $500, and that may not include the light bulb. Alright, I know this is kind of the end of it. The headlight is installed. A couple of things I want to point out as you're replacing one of your headlights. One, make sure your wire harness is in good condition. Two, make sure your bulb is in good condition. And how do you test that? Well, you could take the bulb out and put in the other one. Make sure you don't break anything. The wire harness, really got to look at the condition of it. There is certain tools that you can do to make sure that the connectors are good. Electrometer. Let's see here. Then the other thing is your fuses. You have to double check your fuses. So on my particular headlight, the wire harness was good, the light bulb is good. Last thing to check is your fuse. There is a fuse that controls your high beam light, this main one here, and this is a xenon light. It's a little higher powered, and like I said, this light works with the Bullisk. I'll show you on this side, it's a little easier to see. The Bullisk is this. That is a turn signal light. This is to adjust the angle of your light. The cover to access your light bulb. Then there's your wire harness that connects to your headlight there, that little piece there. Zoom up on it. The less you disconnect that, the better. Anyways, hopefully this information helps you and you're able to get your headlights going, because driving around with one headlight is something where you don't realize it could be dangerous. I drive quite a bit myself, and road debris. Be careful with road debris. There's a lot of road debris out there. I think I ran over a tire the other day. There's ladders, rakes, pieces of concrete, all kinds of crazy things out there. So you need good headlights. Anyways, hopefully this information helps you, and thanks for watching. Have a good old day with two nice headlights. And like I said, these are 2011 Ford Xenon headlights.